So most people spend weeks trying to figure out what to sell. Then they spend months trying to create it. And somewhere in there, they give up because it's simply too much work. But what if you could go from zero to a finished digital product in 8 minutes? No tech skills, no design skills, no writing skills. Just answer a few questions and let our SamCart AI do all the heavy lifting for you. I'm gonna show you exactly how in this video. Let's go.
So you probably don't have a product yet, or you might have a concept for one. SamCart has a ton of new AI tools. And so this video, it's a part of a longer series. What we're gonna do in this one is we're gonna take concept to fruition. So Scott, take us in, man.
Listen, we're gonna start a timer. I mean, the whole promise of this video is that we literally can write, design, and publish your first digital product in like minutes, right? So let's go ahead and we're gonna start a timer. We're gonna start up here, Cop, is the AI assistant drawer, right? So anybody from the home tab, you got great videos that can help you learn how to do some different things, right? But we're gonna really quick in this video, go to the AI assistant drawer, okay? And you'll see a number of these bots that we have. And all these bots are basically like everything we know about creating an ebook. Everything we know about writing a killer sales page, everything we know about generating viral social media content, right? If you're looking for your product idea, okay, you're gonna go to generate an ebook.
And this isn't just like ChatGPT, right? This is like based on stuff that
it's ChatGPT with all of our expertise layered into it. So and you'll see that in just a second, right? But Cop, let's do this really quick, right? It says, all right, cool, I need a little information, share your potential markets or ideas, and then we'll help kind of narrow it down and defining it, right? I'm gonna do a golf thing real quick, so let me type this out. So I just typed in, I'm gonna help weekend golfers lower their scores by chipping better around the green. Again, just a quick thing here. All right, it's done its thing. Let's take a look at what our expertise is dragging out here, right? 10 popular specific topics in this niche. 10 reasons why people spend money to improve their chipping on the golf course, right? 10 popular goals people in this niche have, 10 problems people in this niche struggle with, and 10 subgroups to narrow down the exact audience. What we're giving you here is just a ton of information about how we arrive at creating killer product ideas. So
ton of market research too. Yeah,
exactly right. A ton of market research. So all it's gonna ask for next is pick a specific problem and a specific kind of sub niche, and we'll go ahead and make a product outline. I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so I picked drills and practice routines, and I picked newer golfers as kind of like my sub thing. I'm gonna go ahead and click enter, and again, the AI is gonna kind of just go do its thing. So let's just sit back and watch what it creates. And now what it pumped out here is 10 titles that are, honestly, man, some of these kind of kick ass. Is like the chipping confidence cure, the new golfer's chipping blueprint, the chip shot shortcut, right? It's all this stuff that we know about what makes your product go from a yawn fest to something that's super interesting. I'm gonna pick a title, I'm gonna pump it in the bottom, and then we got kind of our final step here with the AI. Okay, so Cop, what it spits out now is a outline for this ebook. So we're creating, I'm gonna create in this thing like an ebook, or we could either give it away for free, we could sell it, right? But our first digital product, first digital asset. And so here it is, like an outline. Chapter 1, why chipping changes everything. Chapter 2, here's a drill. Chapter 3, here's another drill, right? And on as it goes. And so this outline is really the basis of what we're gonna go do next with the AI design engine.
Yep, what used to take days, weeks, what was that? How long has it been? 3 minutes so far? My goodness.
It's awfully quick, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, let me create a brand new Google Doc, because here's one thing that I think everyone should do here, right? Is I'm gonna copy this outline, and I'm just gonna take it over to Google for a second. And you know what? If I needed to add anything, if I needed to remove something, if I needed to inject something that's sort of like me, my personal expertise, the AI doesn't know everything I know about golf chipping, and I'm not a terribly good golfer, but inject some of your own stuff in here. Maybe go to Google and just do some tweaking, right? Delete some stuff you don't need, add some stuff maybe that's specific or some stories about you. Let me do a quick pause and I'll do that right now. Cop, once my outline is done, right, then we can come back to SamCart, and now we're gonna close this drawer. We can always come back to this conversation if we need it. But now we're gonna go check out the AI design engine on the design tab. So if I come to the design tab, this is where our AI design engine can help you create a bunch of stuff. It can do slide decks, it can do documents and ebooks and lead magnets, things like that, social media posts, even web pages and websites, but we'll get to that in a little bit. I'm gonna choose document and ebook, right? And watch what it lets me do. I can create something 3 different ways. I could literally just prompt with co-author and tell the AI what I wanna make. I wanna make a document about ebooks and or about chipping and golf and that kind of thing. I can start from a blank document, or what I'm gonna do is upload and import. So if I go back to that Google Doc and just click on download, I need this as a docx file, right? That's what I want. You can do the same thing for Microsoft Word, right? A lot of different options there. But once I have that on my computer, I can upload this directly to our AI design engine, right? And what it's gonna do next is freaking wild. It takes that outline and it's gonna start making an ebook out of it. It's gonna add text where it needs. It's gonna bring in images that are relevant to your text. It's gonna bring in, if things are bullet points, it's gonna add bullet points. It's gonna bring in all these different design components so that in just a couple of seconds, I'm going to have a finished ebook, design, lead magnet, whatever, right? Done and ready to export here in just a couple seconds.
Yeah, so just to clarify, it's not just taking the outline, it's writing the content, and designing it in real time. Yep.
And so just like that, we have a finished lead magnet digital product. We could turn around and sell this if it's good enough. We could give it away for free and grow our email list, right? But a finished digital asset sitting right there. And we didn't do a thing to make it happen, right?
It's done. It's
themed, it's got golf stuff in it, it's got great content. I could edit any of this content that I want, right? So I could come over here and add some stuff like by Scott Moran to the cover tab, right? I could come over and use the magic wand icon and change the design of any of these individual pages, right? And let the AI design engine do all of that for you. I can come over here to the right-hand sidebar and I can actually change the theme of the entire document all at one time just by clicking and applying some different themes, right? We'll stick with the green one. I think it's good. It's kind of golfy, right? Golfy. And then whenever you think this is done, right? All you need to do is come over here and click on export, okay? In the right-hand sidebar, I click on export and you can choose the format. So we always say the AI design engine in SamCart is not designing one thing, it's designing a ton of stuff. Watch, with one click, I can take this, ebook kind of document style thing, and I can make them all landscape, right? So now it's video slides that I could record a video and publish that to YouTube, right? I could make these all images and choose which ones I want to sell, or which ones I want to export rather, and take them to Instagram for stories, right? I can make it square. I can make it tall, so now it's perfect for a vertical video for something like TikTok, right? I can do all kinds of things there. I'm gonna do the PDF, I'm gonna make it a document, right? And I'm just gonna export that as is, but that is how powerful the AI design engine is in coming up with an idea, in writing the idea for you, and even designing and publishing your first digital product in click. I don't know what time that was. I'm hoping it was just a couple minutes. We promised something like 7.
That's right.
I think you can do it even faster if you want to. All right, so in the last 8 minutes, we went from 0 to a finished digital product. No tech skills, no design skills, just answered a few questions and let our AI guide you through it. And if you wanna try this yourself, head over to samcart.com and grab a free trial to SamCart today. And in the next video, we'll move on to part 2, where we'll show you how to build an opt-in page and start growing your email list, again, powered by AI. We'll see you there.